Oh, look at the birdies. Get your HumBirdie AI bird feeder today at humbirdie.com. Use our promotional code DD10. Thanks for your support.
Hello everyone, this is Dee with D&D Gardening and welcome to our channel. Today is Wednesday, April 8th and it is 1:18 p.m. Today I am going to uppot my squash. This is mashed potato squash and winter squash. So come along with me. Okay, I've already got my soil down here. It has worm castings and garden tone mixed in with the soil. So all I'm going to do is just start uppotting these bad boys. Okay, we're going to have to do something different. Because that's just too low. All right, that's better. Now, you probably don't remember, but I think my last video, I mentioned that my squash seeds did not germinate. Well, I replanted some and they germinated. Ooh, and y'all dry as a bone. I'm gonna have to feed y'all. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. But yeah, they came up. So as a matter of fact, I've got winter squash, mashed potato squash, zucchini, crookneck squash, and straight neck squash. Can you tell I like squash? I've never tried the mashed potato ones before, so that'll be something new. But I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully my babies will hang on until they go to ground. So far, and I know y'all probably tired of me saying this or talking about this, but it's something that's going to be big in my life and that is going to affect the channel. So it's only right that I let you guys know what's going on. So anywho, something is going to start happening. It's going to begin we're trying for May 8th, but I think it's going to be May 12th. But either way it goes, we got a date now. Whereas we didn't have one before. We were just in limbo. I always come out here when it's windy. And my lip gloss is going to be full of soil. Whew. I just have to remember not to lick my lip. Gone on. Big wasp. And y'all, let me tell y'all, those little birds, I filled that bird feeder up, and I mean filled it up. And it's almost empty again. I filled it up a couple of days ago. It's almost empty. I got a whole lot of birds coming. But I noticed what one of them was doing, and I'll see if it caught it on video and I'll show y'all. That bird would get up there and he would kick his little feet around and move his head and down into the seeds, and he'd knock them out. So up under the bird feeder is a lot of seeds. And one day I came out here and there was a ton of little birds on the ground eating the seeds. And some of them have already started flowering. So, I don't know. But yeah, those little birds, they something else. Had to break up a fight when I came out here. But anywho, the surprise is coming. And it just took a long time. And I am really and truly hoping that my seedlings last that long. Because that's a month away. That is a month away, and that is a long time. A long time. So we'll see. We shall see. I've been fertilizing them every 10 days and making sure that they had what they needed. But you know, sometimes you can do everything you can and they still, you know, go to the upper room. So I'm hoping that these don't. This wind keeps blowing this paper and it makes me think something is coming. Okay. I gotta give them some fertilizer. Nope, don't do it like that. You will definitely knock it off. You must have forgot who you are. Because y'all know I am definitely accident prone. I need to check my hummingbird feeder and see if they need more water. No, it looks like there's some in there. But I think I need to refill it. Some of these are not looking too good. Their roots are not hanging out the bottom, so that's good. But some of them are looking kind of sad. They probably know it's going to be a while before they get in the ground. This wind. I'm enjoying it because it feels very nice out here, but my lip gloss. All right, I got 4 more. This is a quick video. I'm just uppotting, that's all. Oh, I know what I wanted to talk to y'all about. There have been a lot of people, I've noticed, that are being duped by AI. Y'all know those videos that are on YouTube and they don't have a real person, but you hear this same voice that you can hear on almost every crime channel? Well, they have been telling lies about gardening. And so now, even though we don't compete with each other, but now we got to compete with AI. It's ridiculous. The stuff that they're telling people and being monetized. They're monetized, and they're monetized because they got the subscribers and all of that, and they get hundreds of thousands of views, and they're lying, telling people different things, and it just ain't true. So y'all be careful. You know, the internet is full of people, good and bad, But there are a bunch of liars out there right now, and they are giving false information, and some people are losing their vegetables because of trying to listen to and do what AI suggested that they do, and it's wrong. Just wrong. Okay, you, sir, you need to stand up. So y'all just be careful of that. I don't want anybody to believe false information. You know, gardening is a learning experience, and some people are trying to take advantage of it. And them trying to say that, oh, if you use this product, your cherries will come out looking like this. Yeah, it won't. Their stuff, if they're selling something, don't buy it. If they give advice, don't listen, because it's all lies. Just lies. I can't remember what gardener I saw that was talking about it, and I was like, you know, I saw those videos that he's talking about, because it's some that what is it? I forgot which video it was that I actually saw it and was like, oh my God, they really are out there telling lies. So be careful. Be careful of the advice that you take, because there are people out there that are not genuine gardeners. And when I say genuine, I mean they have a garden. If it's 1 pot or 200, if they have them, they're a gardener. So you just got to be careful. Make sure that the people that you listen to really know what they're talking about, or better yet, look it up for yourself. Don't Google it, because now Google is controlled by AI. But sometimes they won't tell you anything wrong. I haven't found anything wrong yet when I Google stuff. But if you want to know anything, go to the Farmer's Almanac. Go to their website. They've got all the information. All the information that you will need in order to grow your garden. And I'm digging through here because I want to see if the seed tried to grow. Nope. Get off me. No, that one didn't. And I'm pulling them out because I'm going to put this cocoa core. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Here it is. I'm putting this back here. And I'm just going to mix it up with my soil. And I need to rinse this out because it's dirty. And I need to plant some more seeds. But I'll do that on another video. I didn't bring everything out here with me to plant any seeds today. I'm trying to think, was there anything else I needed to up pot? Yes. And I don't got any more pots. Ooh, that's not good. I got two. And I've got, I hope this camera is still recording. Okay. This is my Black Beauty zucchini. That's what these are. My peppers have not come up. My hot peppers. Okra is making an appearance. Kale is making an appearance, but my hot peppers are not. So, I am going to leave zucchini alone because zucchini does not have his true leaves yet. So maybe by the time they have their true leaves, I will have some more pots. So anyway, thank you guys so much for being with me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye. Okay, what am I gonna do with y'all? Oh, I forgot. The next video that I do is going to be a giveaway. So definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, now I'm gone. But, okay, so nobody, nope. Okay, nobody has their true leaves. I'm not gonna touch you. Yeah, I can see them starting in the middle, but I ain't gonna mess with them. Okay, and they good. They got what? They're still moist. Okay, I gotta go rinse that out. Uh-oh, now how am I gonna get up? Ugh. Whew. Now let's put this up. And put my soil up. Ooh, I see you, Mr. Spider. You stay right on over there. I don't have time for you. All right, let's turn this off.